Come check out this awesome new hardwood flooring installation we just finished. The hardwood in this video is our pre-finished natural red oak rustic matte 2 1/4 wide. Now, this hardwood is extremely versatile, goes great with a ton of different interior designs, and if you're interested in getting a quote for yourself on something like this or something completely different, we give free estimates Monday through Saturday. We've got over 700 5-star customer reviews, and we can't wait to help you with your project. Along with the hardwood flooring installation, we also offer sanding and staining services for existing hardwood in homes, and we also install vinyl plank, and that's click lock and glue down. We install laminate, carpet, and tile. And now, I'm going to let you enjoy the sights and sounds of the rest of this hardwood installation. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see some of the awesome hardwood options that we have in stock in our warehouse store right by Midway Airport. All right, so here is a closer look at the hardwood flooring from this video in our warehouse store. And right now, on sale for $249 a square foot for the material only. You can buy it by the box in our warehouse store, or like you saw earlier in this video, we can come out and do an awesome job installing it for you. Take a look at what it would run you if you bought it at one of the other big box stores. But as you can see, we've got a ton of it in stock. It's a nice rustic look. It's a mixed bag. We got some really nice long pieces like you see here. That nice sort of shiny matte finish it's got. Really nice. Probably my favorite hardwood that we have in store with that nice rustic look. I really like that personally, and a lot of other people do too. But yep, mixed bag when it comes to some of the pieces, so it has that little variation and you get that cool rustic look. But at Show Flooring, you're not limited to just one option. Of course, we have over 1.5 million square feet of flooring in our store. As you can see, we are overflowing at the moment. Pallets on pallets on pallets. But yeah, you got your unfinished right there. Right now, starting at 75 cents a square foot. We can install it, sand and stain, perfect to your liking. We got the pre-finished options down in the middle, and then we've got a ton of engineered down on this wall. A bunch of different options starting at 99 cents a square foot, and we also have some take-all hardwood options, and that's where you buy, where it's like the end of the pallet, and you can get some really great deals when you buy the whole rest of the lot. We have some lots as low as 29 cents a square foot. So come down, check us out, or schedule your free installation estimate. We have something perfect for your project at Show Flooring.